Today we're going to do some yoga for after your run. So we'll start by taking the feet out wide and gently bend the knees, bringing your hands to the tops of the thighs. Sit the seat back. And on your exhale, gently twist over to your right. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, twist over to the left. Inhale, back through center. You can keep staying right here, alternating, or maybe even come a little lower into your Malasana squat. Keeping a nice tall spine, draw the heart and head forward and up. Press the elbows into the thighs, thighs into the elbows. On your next exhale, plant the hands, lengthen out the feet, heel toe the feet together, slowly rise up. On your inhale, reach your arms up. On your exhale, pick up your right foot, cross it over the left as you start to lean over, bend that right knee. Maybe fingertips come to the mat. Relax the head. Lengthen out the left leg, feel a nice stretch in the IT band. Inhale, rise up to stand, uncross the feet. Exhale, cross the left foot over the right, bend in the right knee, the left knee as you fold forward over yourself, lengthen out that right leg. Let the head hang heavy. Inhale, rise back up to stand. Take a breath. Then slowly make your way down to a kneeling position. Make sure all 10 toes are tucked. Sit your hips back on your heels and just hug opposite shoulders. Get a nice stretch in the feet here. Then uncross the arms, cross the opposite elbow on top of the other. On your next breath, come down to a tabletop position. Your shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Really spread all 10 fingers wide and press into the fingertips and the knuckles so you don't dump weight into your wrists. Take a few rounds of cat-cow here. First, on your inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, draw the heart forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to a neutral spine on your inhale. Extend the right leg long, curling the toes under. Kick back through that heel. Stretching out the calf. Feel free to rock forward gently, back and forth. On your next exhale, bend the right knee, extend the left leg long, keeping the toes on the mat, kick back through that heel. Feel free to rock gently back and forth. On your exhale, bend the left knee. Then step the right foot in between the hands. Really press through the top of the left foot. Draw the heart forward. Then plant the left hand on the inside of the right foot. Start to bend the left knee as you reach your right arm back. You don't even have to grab that foot. You can just be reaching back, bending the knee. If you are able to make contact with your foot, you can pull your foot closer to your glute, feeling that nice stretch in the quad. On On your next exhale, release the foot. Bring the hand on the inside of the right foot. Heel toe that foot to the edge of the mat. And take a lizard's pose. You can stay right here, or you can come down to your forearms. You can also tuck those left toes, lift that left knee, and keep a nice active left leg. Then let's drop that left leg, walk your hands up, start to heel toe the right foot over to the left, dropping the knee down, keep the right foot flexed, come into pigeon pose. So lengthen out the left leg, draw the heart up and forward. And feel free to come down to your forearms for a few breaths. On your next breath, start to walk the hands up, tuck those left toes, lift the left knee, step that right foot back, find yourself on a high plank. Kick back through the heels, draw the crown of the forehead forward. And then on your exhale, come back to that tabletop position. Take a breath. Then slowly step that left foot in between the hands. Get light on the fingertips, start to draw the heart forward here. Press through the top of that right back foot. And then plant the right hand as you start to reach the left arm back. Bend the right knee, maybe grabbing that right foot. Again, you can pull the foot closer to the glute, intensifying the stretch. One more inhale. And as you exhale, release the foot. Bring the left hand on the inside of the left foot. Set up for your lizard pose. Again, you can stay right here. Maybe come down to forearms. Maybe tucking those back toes. One more breath here. And then on your next breath, walk the hands up, heel toe that left foot over to the right. Keep that foot flexed, dropping the knee down to the left. Lengthen out the right leg, walk the hands up. Make sure the hip points are pointed to the top of your mat. And on your exhale, slowly lower down to your forearms. Take a few breaths here. On your next breath, plant your hands, tuck your right toes, lift the right knee, step that left foot back, find yourself in a high plank again. Kick back through your heels, reach through the crown of the head, pull the belly to the spine. And on your exhale, come down to that tabletop position. Let the hips fall to either side. Then bring the soles of the feet to touch in front of you. And you can move your feet further away from your body if you feel like your hips are screaming at you right now. Find a nice tall spine, reach through the crown of the head. Maybe take the thumbs, giving yourself a little foot arch massage. And on your exhale, gently hinge forward. You can use your elbows to gently encourage the knees away from the body. Inhale, come back up to a nice tall seat. You can cross the legs, bring the hands in front of the heart, close the eyes, take a breath. Take a few moments here, recognizing your effort, even after your run. I thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.